Over the last 12 months, we've brought the best of Smec from our global offices in South Africa, India, Philippines, and all over Australia here to Victoria to deliver the first IFC package within 12 months for our client Spark CJV.
The North East Link project is a once-in-a-generation project that closes the missing link of the metropolitan road network connecting the Eastern Freeway to the Metropolitan Ring Road. It's designed to take 15,000 freight vehicles off the road network per day. It comprises 6.5 kilometres of tunnels, open parks, shared user paths. I think one of the key reasons why we won was as a result of our design innovation that minimised the environmental footprint, that maximised sustainability, created a really attractive route and maximised the number of people that use that facility and route. Basically improved the amenity for the community by taking traffic off the local road network and integrated with the client and our contractors KPIs around safety, constructability, environment, cost, to develop an overall compelling solution that the state just couldn't refuse.
Some of the key things that we came up with were an extended tunnel alignment, which really benefited the community. We gave back open space, parks and gardens to the community themselves, also providing a tree-lined boulevard down Greensborough Road. And we also opened up parkland at the Manningham interchange, which then allowed us to move two of the ramps down to the southern interchange. And moving those ramps there meant that we actually got I'll call it a mega interchange, and that interchange, as a road lover myself, is something that I'm really looking forward to.
Two areas where we've done things that we haven't really done before. One is in the digital engineering space, the production of what they call a digital twin. So it's a model that we're producing and we develop through design, and then that continues through its entire life. So through construction and as built, this model gets updated.
So one of the key things of winning the tender and following through to the successful delivery of the detailed design has been our technical excellence of our staff. We created models that allowed, in the Revizzo space, that allowed all consultants to collaborate and really have a high level of clash detection, which really means that when the contractor gets out on site, they've really got a high level of confidence that they're not going to have the types of issues that you typically find on projects.
They're a very technical, well-balanced team, but they're also working in a common direction to really deliver this project well at a high technical level. And you can tell the whole team is really committed to that in terms of getting their outputs there, working as a team to get there. They've got each other's backs. The tunnel itself has a lot of unique design interfaces. It's a very constrained environment in there. Every inch of space is being challenged with other disciplines. You need to accommodate for all the fire protection systems, all of the tunnel systems, all the operation systems, and the drivers, the vehicle spaces. Likewise with the pavements, the road barriers, fitting it all into this very congested space where the TBM has already been ordered and is already on its way here. We must make everything fit. So it's a big technical challenge to get it all in there without changing a single dimension.
In my area, there's a 30-metre deep trench that's going to have a TBM through it, so that's a pretty significant construction feat in itself. And being a local resident in the area, being able to utilise some of the off-road infrastructure, the parks, the gardens, the leisure amenities, it's definitely an enjoyable thing to see road projects aren't just road projects anymore. They're about a holistic approach to placemaking.
For me, one of the main reasons I love my job is getting to see the end product. So working on big roading projects like now, seeing it all unfold. In the 3D world, we've got 3D models where we can do drive-throughs, being able to drive through the tunnel at the end of the day, take my kids through it in the car. So I'm just envisioning how we get the project to the end goal, which is being able to allow all Victorians to drive through this tunnel and experience what I want to experience with my children.
It's the kind of thing, when I went to university, I thought I would be involved in. It's this big, grandiose, multidisciplinary, really detailed engineering project. And in my section, which I'm in charge of, is in a floodplain. So we're building this big tunnel dive structure that's going underground, and it's in the middle of a floodplain. It's very interesting work, and it's the kind of thing I used to always, dream about I was doing as a civil engineer.
Digital engineering isn't just a group. We're not just an isolated team that sits and does one job. We create the workflows, the processes, how are we going to do this, how are we going to do that, but it encompasses every single person that works in this job. What we're creating in our space in our scope will be used, the content we're creating will be used for the next 25 years.
This project is a significant project for Smec and the SJ Group. It's about transforming people's lives and communities, but at the same time looking at our people, investing in our people, looking at our emerging leaders, young professionals and graduates, and giving them the skills and challenges to enable them to go forward and deliver further iconic projects for Smec and our communities.
I want to retire and know that I've helped build people's skills and they've developed in their own careers. But what we're building in this team right now is I believe, pivotal to the future of Smec.
Smec at NEL, #redefining exceptional. It's about collaboration and creating a team culture that enables our success. The success of this project, the success of our people, and delivering projects that make a difference.